Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to hide following list on Instagram without private account. So to do that, let's head over to the Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the icon on the lower right corner. So to hide your following list on account without making your account private, you can use the limited interactions feature if this is still available. So let's see. Head over to the three lines icon on the top right. Scroll down and go to account privacy. So in the previous versions of Instagram, the limited interaction option was available and you could just um, make some accounts restricted so that they can't see your following and followers list. But currently in this new version or the updated version, the limited interactions option is not available now. And the second one you can try is you can try selective blocking. So if you want a few selective persons to not to know your followers and following list, you can just try to block them. So go to followers and block them in here. So yeah, this is how you can just do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.